Sir, last time we done which one routing?
Default routing, static and
Static and
default routing.
default routing. Okay. Sir, if someone asking in static or default routing,
Mhm.
which type of issues we are getting? Any idea? Which one is first issue?
Yeah, we have to mention that each network by manually.
First thing we are getting manually
Configure.
always define which one information destination
Destination.
network and which one
Source net.
subnet mask plus one more information, sometimes next hop
But
IP, sometimes
or exit interface.
second issue. Any idea? Second issue, no authentic.
Authentication.
Third, no redundancy concept. Yes or no?
Yes.
Fourth number, no timers. Fifth number, any idea which one is fifth number issue?
But redundancy, we can that configure the floating IP, right?
Floating, manually we
routing.
configure, na automatic we are not getting.
Oh,
No metric, no load balancing. This thing is clear?
yeah.
And one more, very important, no loop prevention
Hmm.
mechanism.
Mechanisms.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now we discuss which one routing to the
Dynamic.
dynamic routing. In dynamic routing, first point is which one? Only define. Give me 1 second. Why this mark? Only define which one information?
Self network.
Self network and
Subnet mask.
if you want. Clear?
Hmm.
Second, timers available. Which one available?
Timers.
Okay, timers available. Third thing, which one?
Redundancy is possible.
Third thing we can say automatic convergence. Which one?
Automatic conversion.
Primary or secondary concept.
Yeah.
Next is which one?
Load balancing.
Load balancing support. Okay. Fifth number, which one? Metric concept. Which one? Metric
concept.
To get
Bus path.
which one path? Best.
Bus path.
Sixth number, which one concept available?
Loop prevention.
Loop prevention. Seventh number is which one? Any idea?
Authentication.
Authentication. Eighth number, any idea? Form. Which one thing?
Neighborship.
Nine number. update process. Clear?
Hmm.
So this one is dynamic routing concept. Clear? Now one more. Which one, dear?
Dynamic router.
Dynamic routing basically two types. One is my
IGM, yeah, interior gateway.
IGP and second is my
EGP,
AGP. Okay. IGP means
interior gateway protocol.
it's called interior gateway protocol. Clear? Okay, one more thing. Always run. Which one side?
LAN
Lens.
side.
One more thing. Support 1,000 routes. How many?
1,000 routes.
1,000 routes. One more thing. Only one or two mechanism to get which one path?
Bus path.
Best path. Next point. Path manipulate only. Which one, dear? Outbound.
Outbound.
Only
Hmm.
outbound. Now one more thing. We can say always form which one neighborship?
Direct neighborship.
Direct neighborship. Always form neighborship with which one person?
Same autonomous.
Same ES number. Clear?
Hmm.
Any doubt? Okay.
No.
Now, if IGP is done, now one protocol we need to discuss next. EGP. Okay. EGP called exterior gateway protocol. First thing, we can run which one side?
LAN
Lens
side, one side.
one side both. One more thing, can handle lack of routes. How many routes?
Lack of.
Lack of routes. One more thing, best path learn via which one concept?
Path.
Attribute. We are getting how many attributes?
10.
10. Okay. Traffic
Hmm.
engineering possible.
Hmm.
We can manipulate incoming or
Outgoing.
outgoing traffic. Clear?
Hmm.
One more thing. Form direct, indirect. Which one thing?
Neighbor.
Neighborship. Clear? Now one more point. Can communicate same yes or
Or different. Multiple.
different yes. Any doubt?
Hmm.
Now one. Any idea which one is one more thing we can write down? Any idea? always communicate unicast. Which one?
Unicast.
And this one is which one protocol?
Multicast.
Multicast. Now, one more thing we need to discuss about IGP or AGP. IGP. Basically, in IGP, we are getting a first protocol. Its name which one?
Distance vector.
Distance vector.
Routing protocol.
Second is advanced
Distance vector.
distance vector routing
Protocol.
protocol. Third is link state
Routing protocol.
routing protocol. Okay, what is the difference? Basically, distance vector means which one protocol we are using?
RIP.
Advanced means we are using.
EAGRP.
Link state means
OSPF.
OSPF. Nowadays, RIP is not in use. Clear? We discuss why we are not using. Now, second type, which one?
EGP.
AGP. Say, brother, I'm getting a which one protocol?
Path.
Path vector
Routing protocol.
routing protocol. Its name is which one?
BGP.
BGP. So we start from IGP, then we discuss EGP.
EGP.
Okay. But right now we discuss CCI enterprise. Which one theory?
EAG.
EIGRP, RIP, and which one?
OSPF.
OSPF or
BGP.
If you're learning this protocol, those protocols, so we follow some data sheet. This one is my on sheet. If you want to learn depth level of any protocol, so follow this sheet. Okay, all this. So this one is screen one. Okay, I will paste on this slide. This one is screen one. Then we are getting a screen two. Now follow. So first thing we learn which one concept, Sir?
Basic configuration.
Basic. How to enable, how to form neighborship, how to change timer, how to exchange updates, how to calculate
Metric value.
what will be happen if get topology changes, how to perform
Load balance.
Okay, authentication we discuss. Clear? Summarization we discuss. Route filtering we discuss. Redistribution we discuss. Default route, and which one, dear?
Traffic engineering.
Traffic engineering we discuss. Clear? One by one we discuss every key points. So basically, if someone asking, sir, why we are not using a RIP protocol? Why we are not using which one protocol, dear? RIP.
RIP.
First, clear the short theory about the RIP. Basically, RIP means routing
interface information
protocol, and it's also known as a which one protocol?
Distance.
Distance means how many far away from me, and distance vector means how many hop away from me. Clear? Both are different. Distance vector
routing
protocol. Okay, one more thing. It is used which one protocol?
UDP.
UDP protocol. One more thing. RIP protocol support IPv4 and IPv6.
6.
So that is the reason RIP use port number. Port number is 520 and 520.
1.
520 for IPv4, 521 for IPv6.
6.
Now one more. RIP called classful. Which one, dear?
Classful.
Classful. It's a classful routing protocol. Classful
Routing protocol.
routing protocol. We discuss what is the meaning of classful.
Hmm.
RIP support
Bellman Ford algorithm.
algorithm. One more thing. RIP. RIP maintain which one thing, dear?
Database.
One more thing. RIP ED value. Which one? ED value. ED value is how many? 120.
120.
How many?
120.
One more theory. RIP. RIP a route code inside
Routing
which
table.
one table?
Routing table.
We are getting a which one code only?
R.
R. One more point. RIP. We can say in RIP support some timers. We are getting a 4 types of timer. We are getting a first timer name is update, hold, invalid, and which one timer? Flush.
Flush.
Update every 30 seconds.
37.
Hold is only 180 seconds. Invalid is again how many seconds?
180.
Root will be flush after
240 seconds.
Okay. Now one more thing. We are getting a RIP version.
Version 1.
Default version, version 1, and version number
2.
Any doubt? Okay.
No.
Now one more. First, clear the difference. Default version. By default, enable. Always use
Broadcast.
broadcast
IP address.
address. One more theory. It's also called which one protocol?
Classful.
Classful protocol. One more theory. Default version only send version 1 update. Which one updates?
Version 1 update. Yeah.
One more theory. Default version receive update from any version. Yeah. Any version. So default is clear, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Now which one version is remaining?
Version 1.
Version 1.
And version 2.
Version 2. First thing. Manually
Enable.
Always do. Which one task?
Broadcast.
Version 1 called which one protocol?
Class 1.
Class. One more theory. Version 1 receive, send, update from only which one version?
Version 1.
Okay. One more. Periodic
Update.
updates for. Okay.
Hmm.
Now which one version is remaining? Version 2 now. First thing.
Yeah.
How to enable?
Manually.
Manually enable. Always use
Multi-host.
22400. Which one?
9.
9. One more theory. Version 2 called classless, but enable manually. How to enable?
Manually.
Okay. Version 2 send, receive, update from which one version only?
Version 2.
Triggered updates possible. Trigger means if get any change, then immediate forward. And periodic means fixed time duration. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now one more thing we can say. Basically now, Sarath, we need to discuss next point. Give me 1 second. Change the net. Sarath, any idea about the RIP protocol? You have any idea?
No, I didn't use that much because in the production that we are running for in EAGR purely for the small and static route.
Which one protocol you are using?
We are most of them it is running on this one, that is static routes. So one place then we are using OSPF because we have an MPLS connection in between two campuses.
Okay.
Because the MPLS it will support only that OSPF.
Yeah. Basically, first here, a RIP protocol. So RIP protocol convergence. Which one, dear?
Slow.
One more thing. We can say one more thing. Which one protocol?
Unreliable.
Unreliable protocol. Metric. Which one? Metric. Metric means how to get which one path?
Bus path.
Best path. So basically, RIP metric is
Hope count.
hope count. Okay, one more thing. By default, support only how many hope?
15.
15 hope. This 15 hope is which one?
Reachable.
If receive update from how many hope?
10.
16 ohm. That means which one?
Unreachable.
Unreachable. Clear?
Hmm.
Now one more. Basically, first we learn which condition we need to enable RIP protocol. Clear now?
Hmm.
So basically, hold on. If we are having a which one router? Router 1.
That one.
And router 1 connected with some LAN site. So we are creating loop back. 1.1.1/value
30.
because loop back possible to connect anywhere? No.
No.
It's a logical, na?
Hmm.
And router 2 say I am also having a LAN network, but it's a loop back 2.2.2.2/32. In between router 1 and router 2, we are using 10.1.12.0/30 because we are using 12.1 and 12.2. And /30 means only 2 address, and 10 means private, and 12 means 1 or 2 router. Yeah. Okay. So that in this topology, if I am saying, if R1 say, brother, I want to reach from my LAN network to your LAN network, any possibility available? This loop back possible?
No, indirect.
It's indirect. Very good. If R2 say, brother, I want to reach from my loop back to your LAN side loop back, possible?
No.
It's also
Indirect.
so in direct case we can run, but direct case we can also run. No one. So this one is same topology, but first we learn how to enable. Go to router 1 and say which one command?
Router.
Router command means to enable
Routing process.
routing process. Clear? Now I'm going to router 1 and say router config mode, then router,
RIP.
and then define which one name.
Protocol. Yeah. RIP.
So we are running which one protocol?
RIP.
After enter RIP protocol enable on router.
Router 1.
Okay. Now next thing. Next thing after enabling next thing. Basically router 1 and router 2 exchange network information automatic or manual?
Automatic. Once we enable RIP, right?
Because it's a dynamic protocol, na?
Yeah.
Dynamic will exchange automatic.
Automatically.
So router 1 say how to, which one thing we learn? Advertise. And how to make enable on interfaces. So basically both are different. Yes or no? So we are getting 2 commands. How many commands?
2 commands.
After this command router RIP command, we are getting a first command is which one?
Neighbor.
Neighbor command. What is the meaning of neighbor? After neighbor, you need to define your IP, neighbor IP, and then define your
Subnumber.
and this one is on interface. That means router 1 interface. Clear?
Hmm.
So if R1 using a neighbor command, that means it's a which one process we are forming?
Unicast.
But in RIP case, it's possible to form unicast. Yes, possible.
Hmm.
Yeah. But if R1 connected with 100 devices, so how many neighbors should we form? 100 neighbors.
100 neighborship will.
So device CPU utilization will be high, bandwidth issue, latency. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is the reason we are selecting a which one option? Second option will say I will use
Network.
which one command?
Network.
And after network command, we can define IP, we can define network address, we can define which one keyword? 0.0. Any keyword. But okay. If we are using network command, network means sometimes it will do which one task?
Broadcast.
Sometimes it will do which one task?
Multicast.
Only protocol base. If you are running RIP, so broadcast or multicast support. Clear now? Now. So basically now we are getting a same design, but right now network engineer go to router 1 and say router, which one protocol? RIP. And if I am running neighbor 12.2 0/0 and router 2 say router RIP neighbor 12.1 0/0. So router 1 directly send message, router 2 directly send message. On layer 3 source IP is 12.1 Destination IP is 12.2.
12.2.
Okay, on layer 4. Layer 4 we are using which one protocol? UDP, source port and destination.
Destination
520 and
510.
and we are using which one protocol? Correct.
Correct.
So this process is which one, dear?
Unicast.
Unicast. But if you run neighbor command, that means this interface will make a neighborship with R2, and R2 will this interface will make a neighborship with R1.
R1.
But in RIP protocol, neighborship is not possible. Clear? Now one more thing. Same design, but now we are using a which one command? I'm saying router, which one protocol?
RIP. Then network.
I'm running network, which one?
Say my interface.
0 dot 0 dot. Okay. It's not a 12 dot. It's a
10 dot 1 dot 12 dot 1.
0. Network address.
Okay.
So router 1 say, okay, if you are running network command 10.1.12.0, so this network command will do DND process. Which one?
DND.
And also do which one process? Hello.
Hello.
DND means dynamically verify the neighbor discovery. Clear? Router 1 say, I'm sending broadcast. This message also possible to send. Which one messages? Hello.
Hello message.
RIP protocol support hello message? No.
No.
So RIP directly send which one message?
Update message.
An update router 1 say, okay, this network is directly connected with R2. No, it's directly connected. So now network engineer go to router 1 and say, I want to advertise this one network. Network and which one network? 1.1.1.1. Now, so we send update, but inside update 1.0.0.0.0. Why? Because this network is which one class address? Class A. And class A, how many octet fix? Only one, and remaining 3 is
variable.
Okay, we are sending any subnet mask inside the update?
No.
Because we are using RIP protocol, but we are using a which one version?
Default.
And default call which one protocol?
Classful.
Classful means without
subnet mask.
Update forward. Or one more scenario we can get. Forward
Default subnet.
Clear? Now, so R1 will update. If R2 enable, so R2 will accept. Yes or no? Now, R1 say, brother, I am sending which one message? Update. But which one network is indirect? 1.0.0.0. R2 say, brother, I am also sending which one message?
Update.
2.0.0. So router 1 say, brother, I am receiving your update. I am installing inside my routing table RIP route 1.0.0.0 and slash value /a default subnet mask. Clear? And AD value is how many? 120. We are getting a which one option? Metric. Okay, RIP protocol metric is which one? Sarath? Hop count or any other?
Hop count.
Hop count. So from R1 to R2, how many hop away?
2.
From R1 to R2.
1
hop.
Yeah.
From loop back to loop back, how many hop away?
2.
Why 2? It's a logical or physical interfaces? Logical, but router but directly connected, router 2 also directly connected. So metric is how many hop away?
1 hop.
And we can reach on via 12.2. Router 2 say, brother, I am also installing routing table. RIP route 2 dot, okay, not a 1 dot, it's a 2 dot, because 2 dot network we receive na 1.0.0.0/8 AD value 120, 1 hop count, where we can receive 12.11. So reachability is available or not available? Available. But now one more thing. basically in RIP protocol, brother, we are getting some
Time
times. First timer is
update
and every
30 seconds.
okay, this one is your design. Clear now, I think.
Hmm.
So router one, right now, how many network indirectly with R2? Only one. So router one say, brother, I am sending
Update
update, but every
30 seconds.
right now, how many routes available? Only
Only one.
If you're having a 1000, then how many routes forward inside the update?
1000.
1000. So we are getting issues now.
Yeah.
Yes. No? Now next. Same design, but if I'm saying the router one say, brother, I'm installing the root inside routing table. Root is 2.0.0.0/8. AD value is 120. One hop count and via 12.2. For example, Sarath, if R2 this LAN network, this LAN is goes
No.
so R1 inside routing table this route flush, but how many seconds it will take?
180.
No. Basically, router one say I am running first timer is which one? Update.
Yeah, that's
Update is how many seconds?
30.
So this 30 second will start from 0 till go to
29.
1, 2. Yes or no? If I am receiving on 29 any which one message?
Update
So this timer will go to again which one time?
0.
And again go to 29. Then again refresh. Yes or no? But if I am saying after 29, 30, 31, we are receiving any hello? No, line
No.
is down. So now 32, 179. 32,
Hold.
179. This one is which one timer?
Hold.
Hold timer. Router will hold this route 3 minutes. Clear? How many minutes? 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
In between in 3 minutes, if we are not receiving any update, so timer will go to 180, 181, and timer will mark this one is which one route? Invalid. Invalid means now 2.0 is which one route now?
Unreachable.
Unreachable, or you can say possibly down. Then after 60 second wait,
Yeah,
reach to which one time?
240.
240, and then flush this route. So router 1 and router 2 directly connected or indirectly? Router 1 and router 2, I am asking.
Yeah, it is directly.
So directly connected, how many seconds it will take? Flush the route, how many seconds it will
240.
take?
240.
240 seconds. Yes or no? If someone asking, sir, indirectly case, then so same design, no worry, same design. But we add one more new person. Which one person, Sarath? Now we are connected.
R3.
And now we are using 20.1.23.0. Clear? /24. Because this one interface we assign 23.2. This one interface we assign 23.3. Any doubt for this diagram? Okay, now. Route will be automatic exchange, yes or no? But if you verify from R1 to R3, how many hop away?
2.
2 hop away? Now. If I'm saying, sir, if R3, if R1 say, brother, inside my routing table, I already installed RIP route 3.0.0.0/8. AD value 120, hop count is 2. Via which one router we receive? 12.2. Now, R2 say, brother, I'm also installing the root rip 3.0.0.0/8, AD value 120 and slash metric. So from R2 to R3, how many hop away?
1.
Via which one router? 23.3. Okay, if I'm saying R3, this lens side network goes
Down.
down. So R3 forward or R2 side, any hello message? No.
No, only update.
R2 will say wait for which one timer? Hold time. If hold timer will go to 181, then root is on 181, root is
Flush.
if timer will go to invalid,
Unreachable. Then
invalid means this route is now from R2 is which one?
unreachable.
Unreachable. And immediate R2 forward on R1 side, which one message?
Update.
Update 3.0.0.0 slash value, how many of count? 16. So R1 say, okay, I'm receiving update, but how many of count? 16.
16.
So this route immediate flush. So can you please tell me on R2, how many seconds will we take to flush this 3 dot route from routing table?
It is 240.
But on R1 side, how many seconds we take?
It's flushed immediately, right?
Because on R2, after 181 we call unreachable. So R2 immediate forward, which one message? Update message.
Update message. Update message.
So directly connected, how many seconds take? 240. Indirectly will take how many?
180.
180. Very good. Now one more thing. For example, sir, this one is which one router? Router. Connected with 1.1 slash value 32. Now we discuss one more thing. Right now on router 1, we are running REP protocol. We advertise lens side and we advertise WAN side. Clear? But right now we are running which one version?
Default.
Clear? And router to say, brother, I'm also advertise LAN or WAN. But right now REP protocol and we are running which one version?
Version 1.
So can you please verify, Sarath? From R2 to R1, we can receive any update.
Yeah, it can default.
Because default
can
say
receive,
I
right?
will
It can
send
receive,
which version only? Version 1. Default say I can receive from which version?
Version 1.
Version 1 and version
2.
So whenever R1 trying to receive, so possible?
Possible.
Yes. If R1 trying to send, possible?
In version 1.
Because we are running version 1, na? Possible? But. If I'm asking Sarath now new thing, which one? If R1 say, brother, I am running which one version?
Version 1.
Default version. But R2 running a which one version?
Version 2.
So can you please verify R1 possible to share information with R2 or R2 possible to share with R1?
Default can receive all version 1 and 2, but version 2 cannot receive from
Default version, I will send the update only version 1, but I can receive from version 1, version 2.
Okay.
So whenever R2 forwarding updates, so R1 will
receive.
accept. But whenever R1 forward, then R2 will accept.
No.
Clear? Now one more. R1 say, brother, I am running RIP version 1. R2 say, brother, I am running a RIP protocol, but version is
2.
Now, so R1 receive any route from R2? Any possibility available?
No,
Why?
it will communicate with only same version, right?
Same version. Whenever R2 say, brother, I am trying to send
Update.
updates. But R1 say, brother, I am only receive.
Version 1.
I'm only send.
Version 1.
So any possibility available? R2,
No,
R2,
no.
R2 route receive on R1.
No.
No scenario. But we can get option. Go to interface
Mhm.
and do which one thing? Change capabilities. Now I'm saying receive from which one version only?
Version 2.
So now R1 can possible to receive. Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
But R2 possible to receive R1 network information, R2.
No.
No. So we can go to this interface and I am saying
Change the
right
cable.
now, last time you are sending only version 2, you are receiving from only version
2.
2. But now network engineer go to this interface, this one, and change the which one thing?
Capabilities.
Capability. Which one capability we change? Receiving from which one version?
Version 1.
So now communication is possible now.
Yeah.
Okay, next thing. Next thing is very simple, Sarat. Router 1. R1 trying to reach ISP. So which one is best path, via R2 or via R3?
R2.
Via R2. How many hop away only?
Only 1.
And via this one, how many hop away?
2.
Now, for example, if this if R2 link goes down this one side, then what will be happen? R1 will trying to forward the data via this link, but how many seconds it will take?
197.
Again, very far. R1 or R2, immediate change, because this one is directly connected link now.
Okay.
But if R2 say now default route is now not available, so R1 say okay, I will flush this route from my routing table, but it will take how many seconds?
240 seconds.
So total how many minutes convergence we can do with R1 or R3?
240 seconds means divided by 4 minutes, right?
4 minutes. So it's a slow protocol or fast?
Slow.
Slow. Now one more thing. Clear? R2 say, brother, I am having a which one network? X network. So R2 forward update via this one. Update forward via this one. Same update R3 pass on which one side? R1 side. But R1 select only best path via which one? Via R2. Clear?
R2.
We discuss which one theory here? It's called which one? Poison reverse loop prevention. Poison reverse means if R2 X network goes down, so R2 immediate generate which one?
Update.
Update. Inside update we are getting a how many of count?
60.
So R1 immediate flash.
Yeah.
Yes. Because 16 of means reachable or unreachable?
Unreachable.
16 means reachable or unreachable?
Unreachable.
Unreachable. Clear? Now what to take? This one is poison reverse, but this loop prevention mechanism will stop which one loop?
Data plane.
Data plane loops. You can say forwarding plane loops. If user want to go, so we can get data plane loop prevention. Now one more thing. For example, Sarath, this one is R1 connected with
R2.
0 by 0, 0 by 0. R2 say, brother, I'm having a 2.2.2 slash 32. So R1 want to receive this loop. So R1 can receive via which one protocol?
Rip.
But my point is, whenever we are doing which one task in both devices,
Update.
update. This one will be secure or insecure? Secure.
Insecure
Secure.
because there is no authentication, right?
Yes. But right now, we discuss one more loop prevention concept. Its name is
Split horizon. Yeah.
prevent from
Update.
update loops. Clear? One more thing. By default, enable on interfaces. Clear?
Hmm.
By default, enable on
Enable interfaces.
interfaces. We can do we can do manually disable. No worry. But why we disable? If you don't want to make loops, clear?
Yeah.
If you want to make a loop, so disable. Now one more thing. Which one? So basically, if this task is done, we need to discuss basic theory. Which one? We are getting two tasks. One is
Auto summarization. Summary.
auto summary means it's a enable. In which one protocol? Version
Version
1,
1.
version 2, and which one?
Default.
Those versions, the protocol. One more point. If auto summary is enabled, so what will be happen? For example, this one is router 1 connected with 10.1.1.1. This side we are getting a 10.2.2.2 network. This side we are getting a 3.3.3.3. So basically, Sarath, whenever router 1 forward, which one message?
Update.
Update. Update means without subnet mask. So R1 say, can you please verify both are same class network or different? Same class.
Same
network.
class. Yeah. Same class.
So R1 if R1.
Hmm.
If R1 enable RIP, which one protocol?
Class.
So R1 say, I am sending update, but in this update, I am sending 10.0.0. So basically in front of me connected router number is
2.
R2. R2 will say, okay, brother, I will install 10.0.0.0 slash 8. AD value 120, metric is 1. And via which one? 12.2.
2.
Now one more thing. For example, if R2 user want to reach 10.3.3.3.3. So any possibility available to forward the router one side? Any route available in routing table?
Yeah, available.
Yes.
Yeah,
Which
the same.
first
10.0.
octet will match and traffic will forward on R1. But on R1, we are getting any network available 10.3.3.
No.
So R1 will drop. Yes or no?
Hmm.
So this kind of summarization concept, auto summary. Which one? Auto summary.
Summary.
But if enable, then what will be happen? This one. If I am saying this one is now which one, dear?
Disable.
Disable. So R1 can do anything. Clear?
Hmm.
But if auto summary is disabled, then R1 not sending single network. R1 say I am sending 10.1.1.0 slash value 24 10.2.2.0 slash 24. But issue is if disabled, that means individual routes install. Which one?
Individual routes.
Individual. For example, if R2 user want to reach 10.3.3, so any possible any route available in routing table R2?
Yeah, available. No.
No, it's an individual now. Now, so router to drop this point. Clear? Okay. Now we do a small lab.
But in this case, actually, the auto summary is good or bad because see,
Huh?
in this scenario, the auto summary,
Huh?
it is good or bad because both possibilities are there, right? If auto summary is enabled,
So we are getting a single entry, but router lookup process will be slow now.
slow, yeah,
And if I am disabled, so we are getting issue. Why? Because if I am sending 1000 route individual.
yeah, all it will add it, right?
Yes or no? So
Yeah, so the utilization it will be high.
yeah, in both scenario we are getting issues. Clear?
Yeah, yeah.
1 second to start my device. Hold on. Okay, now this one is my IP. We do only RIP protocol lab first. Clear? Because basic is very important. Which one lab we need to do? RIP na? Start all devices. So we are getting a this side length, we are getting a this side length, basic length. Console to all nodes. Go to router 1 first. Check the IP address. Hold on, wait. Now Saras say no first. Go to R2, say no. We configure basic IP address. I think this thing, this part is clear now.
Yeah.
Any doubt with this part?
No.
Go to R1 first, enable config host, and this one is router one. So IP address we need to done interface E0 by 0, IP address 12.0.1,
12.0.1.
and subnet mask no shutdown, and interface E0 by 1 no shutdown, IP address 1.1, always identical. Clear? Go to R2. So first set the device name is R2. E0 by 0, IP address 12.0.2.255.255.255.252. No shutdown E0 by 1. Say no shutdown IP address. Which one IP, sir? 2 dot
2.1.
subnet mask. Okay. Done. Go to R1, sir. Go to which one router? Router 1. And now show IP route. So verify how many networks connected directly.
2 networks.
2 networks. C symbol means directly connected network. L means IP address from
Local.
the
Yeah.
yeah. So basically, if I'm saying ping 192.168.2.1 via source, which one user? 1 dot.
1.1.
So communication will be possible.
No.
No, we are not getting any reply because
No.
router can say I don't have any information. Nah.
Yeah.
So in static routing, we run which one command? IP route, then define
Route.
destination. But now we can do which one thing? Dynamic.
Yeah.
So go to router 1, say which one command?
Router.
And which one protocol?
RIP.
RIP, and then enter. Exit. Exit. Show IP protocol summary. So which one protocol enable?
RIP is enabled.
Show IP protocol. And now verify. We are getting any information about the RIP? No.
No.
Because no one interface member, na. So go to router 1 and say router RIP, and neighbor is which one? 12.0.2.
2.
Via which one interface? E0 by
0.
now. Enter. Okay. Now go to R1 and capture E0 by 0. Wait. I think capturing is not possible. Hold on. Sorry.
You need to authenticate, right?
Give me 1 second. 192.168.100. Yeah, we need to authenticate. Copy this IP. Open putty. Because RSA key must be available inside your laptop. Then Wireshark will be work. Yes. Say root EVE. Done. Now we can capture again. It's running. Now go to R1 first. And now and show IP protocol. Verify. We are getting any RIP protocol enabled? No.
No.
Why we are not getting? Because we are running neighbor command. We are not advertise my network. Via which network we form neighborship. So router 1 say my network for RIP is which one? 12 dot. If via this network, if available 12.1 IP on my interface, so we can enable. Now verify. We are sending which one message first? Request. And verify. On layer 3, source IP is 12.1, destination is broadcast.
Broadcast.
Protocol is UDP.
UDP.
And now verify. Inside UDP, source and destination is
520 for IP
no.
version 4.
And we are sending which one protocol information? RIP
RIP.
protocol. And
No.
right now we are sending any address?
No.
Now one more thing. So RIP say I'm sending RIP message update, but we are not getting any update.
Yeah.
Now go to R2 side. R2 say brother router RIP neighbor is 12.1 and network is 12.0.0.
0.
So both routers sending messages, R2 also sending, but any network will be exchange. Any network will be exchange? No.
No.
Because we form neighborship. Show IP RIP. Show RIP. Show IP RIP neighbor. So we are getting any neighborship?
No.
No. Neighborship is not possible. Clear? Because it's a dynamic protocol. We are not sending any hello message. Clear?
Yeah.
So neighbor command will do. But we are also using which one processed here? Broadcast. Which one? Broadcast. We are not sending unicast. You can verify, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Now remove the rep. No router rep. Go to R1. Say R2. No router
Rep.
rep. Okay. R1 say, brother, I am running router rep. My network command. Which one?
Network.
But on which one interface enable rep? 12 down.
12.
So now verify. R1 again send request. Same message. Version 1. Same message. But. Now we are using which one command? Please solve. Network 1.1.1.
But
And then enter. Now verify. R1 immediate forward update message. Wait. But. Anyone available? No.
no.
It will take 30 seconds. Do show IP protocol and verify which one protocol is enabled.
Rep.
But only send version 1 update and receive both version. That means this one is default or version 1 or version 2.
Version 1 or 2.
It's
No,
a
no,
default
default version because
default version. And this one is your timers. Clear? Okay. Now verify one more thing. How many path best you can install? 4. How many best route you can install by default? 4.
4.
And how many network using for routing? This 2 networks. In ED value is 120. And R2 also say same thing. Router rep network is 12.0.0. Network is 2.2.2.2. Both router after 30-second exchange updates. Both router will exchange after 30-second. Which one message is?
Update
message. Now go to R1. Show IP route. I think it's a iOS image issue. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because we are not getting any update. IP routing. IP routing. We received route. It's a simulator bar. Stop this one. Check the notes. We are using L3. Okay. Okay, no worry. We are using GNS3. If we are getting this one issue, no worry. GNS3 also supports same task. We create lab 1, lab 2. Where is GNS3 this one? Okay, now verify. We are doing a RIP lab, no? So I think I already have. Open this one. Yeah, already available. This one is my lab number 1, we can say. Now it's visible, Sarath?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, start all devices first. Okay. Click on console, boot device we can get immediate. That's done. And within a second, device will get a boot up. Hold on. Now go to R1 first. Show IP interface brief. IP is done on R1. Go to R2. Show IP interface brief. It's done. Go to R1. Interface F1/0. No. IP. Okay, now go to R1, show IP protocol summary. So we are not running any protocol. On R1, we are saying router RAP, network is 12.0.0 and network, which one? 1.1.
1.1.1.
But before saying any command, capture this one on Wireshark. Wait. Enter. Now, after enter, R1 immediate generate which one message? Response.
Response.
Inside the response, we are sending which one network? 1 dot. But it's a classful or classless?
Classful.
Classful, because this one is not getting an actual subnet mask. And how many hop away?
1.
1. Very good. Now, go to R2 side, same concept. Go to R2 side. R2 say router rep, network is 12.0.0, network is 2.2.2. And now verify immediate forward 12.1. Which one message?
Response.
Wait. Go to R2 side. Do show IP interface brief. Okay. Interface FA1/0 IP address 12.0.2.255.255.255.0. Then we can send IP is removed. Yeah, now verify. R2 sending request for a metric 16. Wait. R2 also advertise on network. Show IP interface brief. It's done. Show IP protocol. Yeah, it's done. Wait. We can wait. It will take 30 seconds. Okay. Now verify. R2 sending response now and verify which one network?
2.0.0.
And how many hop away?
1.
1. So right now this thing is clear. Now one more. For example, sir, if you are going to R1 and say show IP route, only RIP protocol route in routing table. So route is available 2.0.0/8 ED value via this one, and this time is running, and this one is interface. Learn your route. Yes or no? Receive your update. Basically, sir, this one is actual network from RT. This one is actual? No.
No.
This one is classful network. Yes or no?
Yeah.
With default subnet mask. But if you're trying to ping 2.2.2 from source 1.1.1, so reachable?
Yes.
That means both indirect neighbor will be exchanged. Yes or no? R1 every 30 second forward which one message? Update
message.
That is the reason we are getting some issues. Someone says, sir, after sometimes I'm getting a new branch enable on Delhi side. Interface loopback 11, 11.11.11.11. Clear? Submit. R1 say I'm connected one more branch. So R1 advertise this network and RIP 11.11.11.11. Then R1 say, brother, I'm sending again response, but now verify. Which one network?
11.0.
11. And after every 30 seconds, all network information separately R1 forward. Verify both network going na in single update. If you're having 1,000 network, so 1,000 will go. Yes or no? So this one is issues. So basically, that is the reason we are not using a RIP protocol.
Yeah.
But if you want to change timer, if you want to make a quick, so how to change timer? Go to config and say router RIP, and command is timers. And which one? Basic. Which one timer you want to change? Interval between updates? Yes. Help. It's a update time. I will say it's a 5 second. How many?
5 seconds.
And invalid time is 15. Okay. Invalid time is 20 and hold time is how many second? 15.
15.
And flush time is how many second? 30. Now verify show IP protocol. Update 5, hold 15, invalid 20, and
20.
flush 30. So you can change timer. If you want to reset, so go to router RIP, say no timers. Which one? Basic. Show IP protocol. So again, the default. But if someone says, sir, I want to install only one best path for one route. For one destination, we can receive multiple best route. But I want to install only one. So by default, it's a 4. How to change? So go to router RIP and say maximum path. How many you can make a best route inside routing table? 32. But we are making how many best route only? 1. Show IP protocol. Yes or no? Okay. Now one more. Router RIP. One more thing you can learn, show IP protocol. Read this line.
Automatic intro summarization.
Automatic summarization in effect. I think automatic summarization we already discussed now.
Yeah.
If you're trying to disable, how to disable? Router RIP and auto summary means enable.
No
if
auto
I'm
summary.
saying no auto summary. So this command will impact show IP protocol. Read this line. Not in effect. But go to R2 and verify show IP route. We are getting any changes with my route?
No.
Actual network we are receiving? No. So default version or version 1 not support disable auto summary feature. Clear? Now. So basically, if I'm saying Sarat, if I'm saying if loopback 2.2.2 goes down, so R1 flush how many seconds this route?
240.
240. Now verify R1 show IP route. So right now show IP route only RIP route. So this timer is 3 seconds now. Wait. 6, 7. Wait. Verify. (26, 27) and refresh. Yes or no? Okay. If I'm going to R2, remove loopback. No. We are using next feature, Sarat. This feature name is dear
Passive
interface. Which one?
Passive.
This feature stop sending update message in which one? RIP protocol. This feature enable interface still receive which one messages? Updates in RIP
protocol.
Clear? Okay. So go to R2. It's a very simple command. Go to R2, show IP protocol. So first verify output. In this output, we are getting any passive interface?
No.
No. Now go to router 2, router rep, and I'm calling passive interface. Which one command?
Default.
Default means all interface. I want to make only which one interface? FA 1 by
1/0.
Show IP protocol. Verify passive interface is?
Yeah, FS 1/0.
Go to R1. Now R1 30, 31, 32. That means update timer is running. Yes, but
Yes.
now it's running whole timer. Yes or no?
Yeah.
In 179 or 180, we are getting root will be down. It will take complete 240-second. Wait, verify. Complete 4 minutes. Two-minute complete na? Now 3 minutes is running. Three minutes is complete, and now verify. Root is valid or invalid?
Possibly down.
That means invalid. Yes or no? And now verify. It will take 60 seconds, then flush this root.
So basically for this trip, that the convergence time is 4.
Yeah, 4 minutes.
Yeah, there is no other way to manipulate, right?
Yes. Then flush. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now your homework is Sarath. This one is your homework. You need to create lab number 2 because lab 1 is done. Now you need to create which one lab? Lab number 2. You need to connect R1, R2, and connect which one router?
R3.
Router 3 having a 3.3.3.3 route. Clear? Okay. Now one more thing you need to do. Basically, this interface will make passive interface. Clear?
Yeah.
This one is which one interface? You can configure passive interface. And now check on R1 how many second route will be flush, on R2 how many second route will be flush from routing table. Clear? Lab number is Which one? 3.
3.
Lab number 3 is R1, R2, R3. Clear? Now, 2 dot 2 dot 2 dot 2. Clear? So check on R1. If this link goes down, so R1 will take how many seconds to reach via this one to 2 dot 2 dot 2. Clear?
Okay.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Okay. If someone asking Sarah, because this one is designed, if I'm saying Sarah, remove the passive interface. So go to router rep and say no passive interface default.
Default.
Show IP protocol. Any passive interface available?
No.
No. But right now, router 1 running which one protocol? How to verify? It's a very simple mechanism. Router 1 say I will send update, I will receive, but both single. So that means this one is default. Yes or no? And I want to run this, which one protocol now? Version 2 or version 1? For example, version 2. So I am saying no router rep, and I am saying router rep, and version is 2, and network is 000. That means all networks advertise and enable. Now R1 link capture and verify. We are using multicast IP or not using? Verify. It's a lab number 2. Verify. Show IP protocol. R1 say I'm sending update only version 2. I'm receiving update from only
version 2.
Version 2. Yes or no? Now verify. I'm using 12.1. Say I'm using which one? 224.0.0.9. That means this one is which one IP?
Multicast.
Multicast IP. Yes or no? Okay. Now, but R2 say I'm using a which one version? Default.
Version 1. It is broadcasting.
Yeah. So any possibility available R to receive any route 1.1.1?
No.
Okay, remove this protocol, no router rep, and enable router rep version is 1. Clear? Because default can receive, na?
Yeah, default can receive.
Yeah, that is the reason I am removing. And enable version 1. And now verify show IP route rep. Any route receive? And I'll go to R1. R1 also not receiving 1.2.2.2. Receiving?
No.
Because R1 say, brother, on my WAN interface, FA0/0, sending only version 2 update, receiving only version 2 update. If I want to receive R2 update, so receiving capability must be which one? Version 1. So go to interface FA0/0 and say IP rep. Which one capability you want to do? Sending or receiving? Receiving.
Receive.
Version 1. And now verify show IP route rep. Wait 30 seconds, we can receive. Show IP protocol. So FA0/0 capable to receive. Now we can get verify. Yes or no?
Yes.
But router 2 possible to receive. No, it's a version.
No, version 1.
So I will say on R2 receiving FA0/0, which one version I will say?
Version 2.
Yeah. IP rep receive version 2. Show IP route. After 30 seconds, we can receive. Which? Yes or no?
Yeah, receiving.
Clear?
Yeah.
So create this lab.
Yeah, sure. I
We'll
will.
meet again tomorrow.
Okay. Actually, could you please upload that video as well? Because
Yeah, immediate.
I
I
just
will
need to
go.
go through. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, man. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
Okay. Bye bye.